Your power tool's motor uses two carbon brushes to conduct electricity to the armature. The brushes do this through the commutator. The carbon brush will wear down over time from rubbing against the rotating commutator and will need to be replaced. Worn brushes can cause excessive sparks around the commutator. The sparks can also be caused by a damaged armature, so you want to carefully inspect both if sparks are present. Replacing the carbon brushes is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the belt housing from the sander. Now I have access to the brushes. I'll remove the brush cap from the first brush. Then I can remove the brush. I'll align the new brush with the brush holder and insert it. Then I'll reinstall the brush cap. I want to be careful to not over-tighten the cap or I can crack it. And I repeat this on the other side. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the belt cover. And that's how easy it is to install new brushes in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.